I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up a payment gateway on Shopify can be a bit tricky, but once you know the steps, it is straightforward. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. This is where you allow manage all your store settings. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once you're in the admin panel, go to the Settings section at the bottom left corner. Click on Payments to access the payment settings. Step 3. Choose your payment gateway. In the Payments section, you'll see options for various payment gateways. Select the one you want to use, such as PayPal or Stripe, and click on Activate. Step 4. Configure your gateway. After activation, you'll need to enter the required information for your chosen gateway, like API keys or account details. Make sure to double-check these for accuracy. Step 5. Test your payment gateway. Finally, run a test transaction to ensure everything is working correctly. You can do this by placing a small order in your store. If you see a confirmation screen, you're good to go. Remember to check your email notifications for any errors during the test. If something doesn't work, revisit the configuration settings. Good luck with your Shopify store.